Serbian power. Welcome back, YouTube. If you haven't yet, make sure you give a subscribe and follow. Today we are lifting a, not that one. We are lifting a 2018 Silverado crew cab long box, 7.5-inch rough country lift. And let's get going. All right, first up on the 18 Silverado, we're doing the rough country 7.5. It is the 7.5, the 2500. You can't tell there, I guess. There we go. It'll be 37s on here. 37, 1350, 20. All right, let's get skinny. Got a bunch of parts here, Serbian there. Gonna take pressure off the old torsions back here and pound them through. Torsion key tool. We took the bolt out, right? Put pressure on here, just like that. There, torsion bar. Serge, taking the front end apart now. Attaboy. Serge has a time lapse. Obviously, to keep the CV axle geometry right. We've got that diff out. We've got the torsion bars hanging. Still going. All set up. So the old shock was the fork style, right? And then we got the new style that goes inside here. The instructions suck, so hopefully if you're seeing this you understand. The torsion bar used to go through the bottom here, but now there's a spacer in there. Can't see it. The torsion bar will go through here. Shock mounts it up. That's the old shock, right? And then there's the new style shock, like that. Rough country instructions suck. We got the diff in there with the drop. Nice. So we got the bag of missing hardware here. Thank you, Rough Country, for that. But I think we're missing more bolts yet for the bottom of the torsion. So this is where things get really fast and easy back here. Put a big block in there, I think, is your lift back here. I think it's important to note when you're doing something like this that all your ABS and brake lines are all loose. Brackets here lifted up obviously higher because the bump stop, right? It's not a different location. Got the back all together. Shocks are in. Mounts are on. So big shout out to Rough Country for getting more brackets and hardware, but front ends together. Our brackets all made up with notches to cover the lip, but they're all done there. In the event you want to do 37s on your 7.5-inch, that's 37s. So what we're gonna do is give it a little trim. They're all cut out there.